let's take a look here as we switch over to /BTC. So there's a couple things I want to say. I have been overall extremely negative on the cryptocurrency idea. Let's put it that way. My sense is that we were going to get a rally in 2019 and it would fail. Now this one failed up at this major resistance area right over here, and I called that the bull hook up into 2019, and it came down and gave you this negatively configured cycle rhythm. You can see the harmonic families right in here, the low due right here, and the low made, and then the rally. I had anticipated that what we would start to see is a rally, and it would move up and fail from the sell zones. It got, I thought it would get up to 9,000 plus. It got up to over 10,000, and now is starting to stall here at 9,500. My original downside was this fib target right around 3120. That's where their cycle low is, and this fib extension target zone. One of the reasons, or the main reason for how negative I am on cryptocurrencies, is that there is a fallacy that is being sold to you. And that is that the $21 million Bitcoin limit in there was going to bring a demand that was going to take it to 50,000, 100,000, some ridiculous pie in the sky levels. There's only one problem, and that is it is a cryptocurrency, of which there are over 2,000 and growing, and an unlimited supply. So it's bull crap that they're giving you about the fact that you can have the prices have to go up because of the limitation of supply. You can create unlimited cryptocurrencies, and my opinion is that there's going to be a massive shakeout, and that there may be some value in some of these, and maybe Bitcoin is one of them. However, you can't have all of these cryptocurrencies out there without the reality that there are going to be at least 80% of them that go away. And that's going to be a liquidation in there that is going to rock this whole industry. So yeah, I think it's going to fail here. Maybe it fails up here at somewhere around 12,000. I doubt it. Now, maybe this 3,100 area we're looking at is not going to be on this down wave here. We've upgraded it to this level right over here at the 78.6%, which is around 5,400. That's where that projection was. It's kind of likely that it's going to have a big decline here, and interestingly, out into May or June, which is in alignment with what we just talked about in gold and silver stocks. So there's a very risky period over here, and we're going to see how that kind of selling that it brings in, and whether or not there's going to be a real shakeout this year, or the shakeout is going to be next year. It's coming, because you just can't create value out of thin air and expect that it's going to be able to hold the value, and especially when you can produce all of them that you possibly could want. Believe me, if cryptocurrency got back up to 20,000, you'd have 4,000 of them. They're just going to, people are just going to be creating them out of nowhere, and that's really an issue. I believe this is a false value in here, and as long as it's giving me this negative patterns in here, I'm going to stick to that right now. And that's what we have, a negative pattern, very likely to bring you a negative pattern. That means the probability of getting below 6,400 is about 75%, and we're going to stick with that. Negative pattern, really a negative idea right now, and you know, just don't confuse that with the technology that this is built on, because the technology is phenomenal, but cryptocurrencies is just, in my opinion, a big hoax. So that's where I am on it. I didn't pull any punches on that, and we'll see if they prove me wrong or the market ends up proving me correct. That is a look at Bitcoin, the bonus for today.